This is basically high residences, social facilities. Today I have decided to come by metro. I'm joking. I came with Yiğit, with Vito. Today, right now, we are in Başakşehir in the project of Mall of Istanbul. It is one of the biggest mixed-use project in Istanbul, which has the residences, offices, shopping mall with the many restaurants, shops. One of the biggest. The many people, millions of people are coming here. And lastly, they did a new building here inside this complex, which is consisting two things. First, 10 floors of this building is Hilton, and other 15 floors is high residences. Today we will make you a tour of high residences. Location-wise, I think this is one of the best point to stay, because from this point with metro in front of the project, you can go anywhere. Ataköy, new airport or Istanbul central points, and also it's connecting to Marmaray as well. So let's start our tour from the high residences of Torunlar GYO. They constructed here. Let's start. This is basically high residences, social facilities. These social facilities are pay as you go. You don't have to be a member from your maintenance fees, so you will not pay high maintenance fees for your apartment. But you can be a yearly member to these services. They have the swimming pool, we will see, then the other facilities I will show now. This is an indoor swimming pool. You don't feel it, but it's a warm place right now. Heated pool. They have the bar area here. This is the swimming pool. Very nice, designed. From this point, you have the changing places, showers. From this point, this is the gym of these facilities. All the machines are brand new, very well designed. We can make a little tour over here maybe. I feel myself like a mouse. So this is the gym, and other side of the facilities we will see now the spa. Here they have the massage rooms, Turkish beds, steam rooms, and the showers that you can enjoy all day while you are living in this building. So let's start from this way. You have your private hairdresser for men and ladies on this point. And this is the VIP massage room. This is a huge place, by the way. It has the hot tub, double massage bed, and this room has its own private steam room, sauna, and Turkish bed. We are in the sample apartment of high residences. This apartment is 208 meters square gross, 135 meters square net size, 3 beds, we will make our tour here. In this building, from 1 bed to 6 beds, there are options, and the prices are starting from $330,000 and going up to $3 million. And this flat is same type apartment is selling for $690,000. Let's start our tour here. So this is living room. Out of the apartment, all the building is turning around a nice balcony. We will end our tour in this flat in the balcony. As you know, first 10 floors is Hilton, and other than the 15 floors is high residences. There is no brand on the apartments, but the quality and the decoration style is affected from the hotel, my opinion. We see a very well designed and settled apartment here. In this sample apartment, they made a nice golden details and Middle Eastern effects and decoration we see on the walls and the lightnings here, golden wall sconces, chandeliers in all the apartments. Heating is of course under the floor and cooling is central cooling in the apartment, and you can manage all the cooling and heating from these remote controls. We have nice settled recessed lightnings on top, and there is a nice ceiling which is more than 3 meters. So this part of the living room is designed as a formal dining area. Same golden chandeliers from top of the dining table. 8 people set up with blue chairs. And here there is one niche, I think from the architecture plan this came, and they used it. It's a nice place for accessories or a nice bookshelf for your apartment. For 3 bedrooms, it's a good setup. You have the enough space for the sitting area for your apartment. From the living area, we are passing to kitchen, entrance hall, and the bedrooms. This is the entrance hall of the apartment. They give a nice wardrobes here for the shoes and the jackets here. Of course, the smart home system is managing everything, that you can manage all the things from here and connect to the reception. Nice kitchen area. Most of the time they don't put shelves over the windows, but this countertop is very useful that you can see the view outside of apartment and you can do your cooking over here. The colors they choose is so light colors, white countertops and the cupboards on the top, and the gray here, soft color. And on these apartments, all the dishwasher, cooker, aspirator, and the white goods are Miele branded, which is a nice brand in Turkey. And there is a fridge over here also, fitted fridge. From this side, we have a nice corridor. On the floorings, we see good choosing for the marble. Here it looks like a carpet with these 3 different type color marbles chosen, white, gray, and the black. And this is the first bedroom. Bedrooms are a little bit small, but for a single person, it's enough with the cupboard, with the study table and the bed. Here they designed this room with the colors and the choosings as a girl room, because the pink we see in the details, and the main doors we see the same golden details on the doors. And this is the first bathroom. By the way, in the apartment there are 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, so each bedroom can use a different bathroom here. What I like about the bathroom is from top to bottom, it's all marble, no ceramics on the apartment. This marble gives a nice basic quality in the flat. It's a good size bathroom. They didn't make a powder room in this flat. It's a good idea. Instead of making a powder room, all of them is a bathroom. So this is the second bathroom, different color of marbles, similar type, and this is the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Mostly blue colors have been chosen in this room. The reason is because this is a boys' room. They decorated it. The first one is the girls' room. This one is the boys' room. Second bedroom. This is more spacious than the first bedroom. And from this space, we are passing to the master bedroom. Of course, master bedroom is bigger, and the cupboards are designed with the full of white colors and the golden details of the paintings and the handles here. And the best point of this room is I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom here because I really like these little details on the marbles here. It's big, spacious, and full of marbles with the nice colors. So this is overall 3-bedroom high residences like this. I like the quality. Quality divided to price it's effective here, and here we have a huge balcony. I can say balcony is almost 20 meters square. All the way is the balcony. You see the amazing view that from this point I see the Olympia Stadium, Basın Express Street, all the way until Bakırköy I see on this road. I can say that this intersection in front of Mall of Istanbul is the most important intersection of Turkey. Because maybe you see it's the middle of the day, there is always high load of traffic passing from one side to the other side. Let me explain you. This side of the road is taking you to Bulgaria. So you can exit from Turkey. This is the only exit point. You can go out of Turkey. This side of the road, which is we call Basın Express Street, is taking you to Atatürk Airport, and also you reach to the Bakırköy. Other side of Basın Express, it is recently opened a couple years ago, which is a third bridge road, which is also taking the high load of trucks to Anatolia. You can reach the middle of Turkey, and from that part, Iran, Iraq, the middle of Turkey, the middle side of the country, you can reach. So the other side of intersection is taking you to second bridge and middle of Istanbul. So I can say Mall of Istanbul, this point is the most important point. So it is a highly demanded area for living, for staying, or using the mall here. And the other point, from this point, Istanbul new airport is only 20 minutes. Before, Atatürk Airport was the closest place from this point that you can stay here and go to the Atatürk Airport. At the same time, new airport is also closest to here. So this is as location so central. I would like to end my video in front of the building. Let's go to outside. And also, of course, we will see the social facilities of the building. It was a great tour today. We have seen the sample apartments, social facilities of high residences and Hilton. On my behind, what you see is Moscow, is the biggest furniture center of Istanbul that you can find all the shops here. And as you can see, other side of this part is the many factories, production facilities are still going on, which means that these residences will have a high demand of renting from these company owners or these business owners. And also I can tell that from Middle Eastern market, Mall of Istanbul is really famous. These residences, always there is a tenant, but they cannot find an apartment. So it means that these high residences may give you a very good income for your investment. So from this point, in 10 minutes you reach to Çam Sakura Hospital. This is all I would like to tell. Thank you for watching. We've seen today Mall of Istanbul high residences. See you on the next episode. The broker is out.